Alright, here we go. Unboxing the Mambacita. Here we go. Check these out. Oh, that's pretty cool. Inside of the box. There we go. Ooh. Check that out. You got a pair of white laces inside. Oh. Oh, nice. Yeah, inside. I like it. Material is interesting. Really interesting because it's kind of like, it's not, so the swoop is stitched in and it's kind of like plastic. Not sure what that is. And then this is leather here. Oh, and check out the bottoms. These are dope. Yep. Got our number 2, Gigi. That's stitched in right there as well. Dang, I really like the stitching for the swoop. Swoosh. Oh yeah. These are really cool. Alright. Just noticed you got the signature there too. These are cool. Size 11.5. I don't know. Did you guys get yours already? Get yours delivered? These are cool. Alright. The box. Looks like the leather elephant print. Really cool. See ya.